Here we are with Hannah and her mother Alicia. She had a childhood injury.
When Hannah was 15 months old, she pulled scalding hot water onto her coming down over her area in her hairline that it killed off all the hair follicles. And then Dr. Bolton contacted us, willing to help us with some hair growth for her.
Right along here in this area.
All around the front, she didn't have any hair here. We went through and completely reconstructed her hairline, created nice density behind it to fill this all in nicely. And this looks like her own natural hair. So even if she were to thin out a little bit, this hair is permanent and won't ever thin out. So you'll have that forever.
All right.
So you excited?
Yeah, very excited. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Thank you very much for doing the video.
Thank you.
Hi there. Here we are with our patient Alejandro. He was about 26 years old when he came into our office for the first time. After we did the first procedure, it came out awesome. He was very happy with it. We'll start from the front. We'll work to mid-scalp on the first one, and then on the second one we fill in the crown.
It was really good, you know, everything went smooth, and it felt really good. I
Okay.
totally recommended the procedure. The earliest you come, the better for you. Come here, come see Dr. Bolton.
Awesome, man. I appreciate that. So here's his new hairline from the profile. So you can see this has all been recreated. We even got him a nice little hairline as a classic. So here's the other side. You can be nice and reframed. Anyways, I want to thank you very much for doing this
Thank you.
video for
Thank
us.
you, Doc.
Congratulations.
Like 2-3 days. With yours, the sutures were so nice and so tight and so small.
Yeah, but Jesus, that's amazing. Look at this. That's it. Holy smokes, brother. That's an old scar from another doctor, not here. Our little line would follow through here like this, which you can't even see. Your results are phenomenal.
I appreciate
and
it.
he's got a lot of growth to go. Thank you for doing the video for us. Have a
And I'll
thanks,
be
man.
here.
Congrats.
Say hey, no, congratulations to you.
Thank you. Hi there. Here we are with our patient Dan. Dan flew in from Serbia all the way to have his hair transplant with us. So the procedure went well, no pain,
Yeah, nothing.
no swelling.
No swelling, nothing. I want to do that surgery in Turkey. I think about FUE, and when I see some of my friends, they do that, you know,
Right.
it's not good for me.
This was super diffuse and thin, and we were able to go through and fill all of this in. So this is it. Line's hit. It's like would be right here. That's the suture line. Just perfect. Just perfect.
Thank you very much for this procedure.
And I'm
It's-
very happy
so
for you.
happy. Yeah.
Congratulations. Thank you very much for doing the video for us.
Thank you, Dr. Bolton.
You're welcome. Here we are with a patient that came in today for an FUE from Turkey. Correction, this particular patient is from the Mideast. He went to Turkey. He had a 2500 follicular unit extraction case. He spent about 9 hours in the chair that day. Then they did not put him on Propecia or Rogaine. He ended up losing his surrounding hair. He was not happy with his hairline. He was not happy with the density. And he was most unhappy with the scarless procedure in the back of his head. He could lose this hair from where they took the holes. You can see these holes all the way up here just to get more hair. You can see sometimes when they do too close together, they get a bigger hole. So you'll see bigger holes. When this grows out, it looks very unnatural. And as you can see, all these holes now have no hair. They went super low. This is typical for what I'm seeing with the FUE because they need to spread it out in order to get the hair. And because if they take them too close, they'll get these doubles that are happening. And those doubles create holes, especially when they shave their head or if they try to wear their hair a little bit shorter. It is not scarless. You have more scars. So you're getting probably a 25% minimum transection rate when they try to blindly take these out. Where when they're doing their FUEs, they're taking it from an area that's well above and below that area, so it's more susceptible to falling out when they move it. The FUE is not the latest, greatest procedure. It is one of the most oldest, antiquated procedures in hair transplants. It is the same thing as a hair plug. It's a punch biopsy, destroying the donor, destroying the blood supply, limiting the results, going from areas that aren't sustainable, and it is a complete loser. Mark my words. So, buyer beware, and this is what we're doing daily, is correcting these procedures. We wish you the best.